I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by bitcoinwell.com, the simplest and quickest way to buy Bitcoin in the US or Canada and get it directly into your own self-custody. Check them out today at the links down below. For the people that get it, that understand the problem and see the solution, we don't have to necessarily convince everyone to effect enough change to escape it. We can just use our own individual actions to shelter ourselves from it, and then use that as instruction to others to say, hey, look, my life is getting better and easier over time. Why is that? And so we don't need to rally politicians. We don't need to coax people in positions of power to make changes on monetary policy and be more responsible. We just need to opt out of what they're doing peacefully. And, we can shelter ourselves from that. And then we can also show others that we care about how to do that as well. And hopefully they heed the warning and shelter themselves from it too. But it's very unique. Whereas before, you kind of had to figure out how to play the game that was being played. You had to figure out, okay, if you did get that the whole system was predatory, you had to capitulate and say, like, all right, everybody, more or less, in order for some people to succeed, a bunch of others are getting screwed and having wealth extracted from them. Either I'm on the shit end of that stick, or I'm going to have to figure out how to play that game and be the extractor. And that's no longer the case. You can just kind of sidestep it and say, like, hey, I'm going to try and provide value for others. I'm going to spend less than I earn. And I'm going to save in money that can't be printed by another man.